Find features that differentiate it from other brands for LZBWOL, Health Fitness Tracker Watch for men or women. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 1.47-inch HD touchscreen and DIY watch faces. Experience crisp visuals on the 1.47-inch TFT full-color touch display, 170x320. Choose from 4 built-in dials or explore the app for 100+ cloud faces. Customize your style by uploading your own photos to create a truly unique watch face that matches your daily outfit or mood. 24/7 health management and sleep analysis. Powered by advanced sensors, this tracker monitors your real-time heart rate and blood oxygen, SpO2, levels. It automatically tracks your sleep status, deep, light, wake, to provide a comprehensive sleep quality score. Includes female health tracking and sedentary reminders to help you build healthier habits. Note: data is for fitness reference only, not for medical diagnosis. 100+ sports modes and activity tracking. Surpassing standard trackers, LZBWOL supports over 100 workout modes including running, yoga, cycling, ball sports, and more. Accurately records all-day steps, distance, and calories burned. With an IP68 water resistant rating, it withstands sweat and rain, making it the perfect partner for outdoor activities. Smart notifications and call alerts. Stay connected without your phone. Receive vibration alerts for incoming calls and app messages, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and more app, directly on your wrist. Note: you can view messages and reject calls, but cannot answer calls or reply to texts via the watch. Packed with practical tools, weather forecast, remote camera, and find phone. Long battery life and wide compatibility. Equipped with a 190 mAh battery, enjoy long-lasting performance with low power consumption. The device pairs seamlessly with the GloryFit app and is compatible with smartphones running Android 4.4 Plus or iOS 9.0 Plus. Perfect gift choice for family and friends. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.